It's a beautiful game. It's a beautiful illusion. The life on Earth. We are all agreed to participate in Earth's development. The Earth is Garden of Eden, a beautiful, beautiful garden that has so many alien races present within your DNA, within your spirit, within your bodies as souls. Your souls are ancient beings traveled through space. They have been present forever and will be present forever. Indestructible, incredibly bright and powerful. That's how we see you. You are not small. You just forgot your glory. And that is okay, because it is a journey that you are participating in to rediscover divinity in physicality of planet Earth. Souls like us, you are. We do not look at you from above downward. We praise your bravery for this task that you assigned to yourselves, coming to planet Earth is not for weak. It is for the strongest of souls. You are navigating your lives thinking that you're trapped or cursed or punished, but that is far from truth. Your minds are incredibly powerful tools that are creating your realities here on planet Earth. You are divine beings developing this planet within human bodies. The purpose of your existence here on this planet is to bring back divine consciousness to Earth. To remember your power, to remember your brightness. We look at you with reverence. We look at you with respect. And we celebrate every step you make towards discovery of your greatness, towards discovery of your divine essence on your planet.